Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today I'm going to go to my second part of the ignition video. So when you change the ignition, you also have to change the tank lock and the seat lock. So I'm splitting this up over 3 videos just to make it a little bit easier for everyone. So we've already changed our ignition. So next what we're going to do is we're going to be changing our seat lock, our tank lock. Now, the tank lock on this is pretty simple, but if you've lost your keys, so you lost your keys and you can't get this off. And the reason you can't get this off is you can remove all the bolts, but it still won't move because there's one bolt that's underneath this and it's right here. So you can't actually do anything to remove this until this bolt is removed. So you're in a kind of conundrum where you've got this and it's locked down. Now, I'll show you how to do it. All you're going to need is 2 screwdrivers, a flat screwdriver, and a hammer, and another screwdriver, and I'll show you what the other screwdriver is for. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip this up. You're going to take your flat screwdriver like this. You're going to put it inside the lock. Then you're going to take your hammer and you're going to hammer it down. It doesn't matter because you're going to be changing this, right? So I'm not going to actually be changing this one, so I'm not going to break it. I don't want to break this one. So what you're going to do though is you're going to take this, you're going to put it inside here, and you're going to hit this hard. Boom! Boom, like 3 times, good hard hits. That'll smash all the locks inside there, the pins inside the lock. This will smash it. Then you take another screwdriver. If you don't notice, most screwdrivers have a hole in the top. All you do is put another screwdriver inside that hole, and then twist to the right, and that will break everything, and this will be able to lift up. I actually have another video on YouTube. If you look, it should show you how to do this, but we don't have to do it. Like I said, I have the keys for this. So, but if you don't have the keys and you have to break it, that's how you break it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this gas cap off. So unlock it first, lift it up. Now, not every one of these bolts has to be removed. Only a few of them have to be removed. So there's 2 at the back, 1, 2, and 1 at the front. And you're going to need a number 4 Allen key to do that. So this one has to be removed. This one has to be removed. This one has to be removed. And this one has to be removed. Once you do that, and be careful when you're doing this, you don't want to drop a bolt in the tank. So there's your 4 bolts. And then this just lifts right off like that. That's how it's going to come to, just like this. So what you want to do, you just want to go ahead, put it in place. Start all your longer bolts, which are the 3 outside bolts. Like I said, just start them. Don't tighten them down just yet. That. That. And that one. Now, when you have all these in, so this 4th one, when you put it in, you can go ahead and tighten it down. Okay, now you can tighten down all your other 3. There you go. Tighten down the last one. And then close it. And then after you close it, open it a few times just to make sure that everything's lined up correctly. That's opening correctly, closing correctly, just like that. And that, guys, right there is how you change your tank lock on your X22GT 250.